Group 2.
3, 2, 1, off you go.
I'm straight.
I'm straight. I'm straight. I'm Lisa, and I'm Leslie. Lesbian.
She's a lesbian.
They like girls.
You like girls?
You know,
Stop it!
Lesbian.
Melissa was 15 when the rumor started. They wanted her like zombies. She didn't know how to get rid of them. This is how it started. Oh look, there she is, Leslie. I don't get what she's doing here. She doesn't belong here.
Where's your girlfriend at?
She doesn't have one. No one likes her.
Did you hear that, Melissa? Should I call you a lesbian?
Why'd you push people?
I didn't push you.
Why are you gonna push people?
I didn't do anything.
Just because you're lesbian, yeah, I'm not. Oh, where are you going now?
I need to go somewhere.
Oh, really? You're gonna go meet your girlfriend?
No, I need to go to lesson.
Freak.
Freak.
There she is. What a lesbian. I thought everything just be like before. When everyone was my friend. When everyone liked me.
Hey, how's the news on Saturday?
Yeah, it was so cool. We watched Fast and Furious 6. Wasn't it good? Yeah, it was. The every part was like it.
Oh, I'm sorry I couldn't come.
Yeah, it's alright. Well, we need to go. Before you go. Bye. But no, it's not like that. Now, the rumors are taking me somewhere I never wanted to be. I don't even know what these pills do, but at this point, I want to try anything. Anything to stop the pain and all the rumors. This is disgusting.
If you were Melissa's friend, what would you do? Any questions?
I would say sorry.
Do you want to come?
I don't even know what you're supposed to do, but at this point, I'm going to try anything to stop the pain from the room.
What are you doing? What's wrong with you? Spit it out. What's wrong? Why are you trying to kill yourself?
I know, it's just the rumors. I can't take it.
Well, you need to speak to someone about it. You can't just kill yourself.
I can't. I
Probably
need
run
to.
away from the pain.
What? You think I should deal with everyone every day?
Yeah, just tell someone. I'm sure they'll help you.
It's not like that. And this is what actually happens. I don't even know what these pills do, but this way, I'm going to try anything. Stop the pain and all the rumors. Disgusting.
Lesbian! Lesbian! Lesbian!
Lesbian!
Just wait. Please. Melissa died because she couldn't take the rumors anymore. What would you have done in that position? Well, no questions.
I would say sorry.